Okay, quick video of Accuware's Label Connector for Zoho. Want to show you our new capability for using quotes, or otherwise known as estimates, for printing labels. So if you're developing and creating quotes like this one, we've got 3 items on there. First one with quantity 1, second with quantity 2, third with quantity 3. You can pull in this estimate using the quote number here with or without the QU as part of the number. But basically, once you connect up to Accuware's label connector, you can just put that quote number in and press get data, and we'll retrieve that invoice and all its data for you to print labels here. Now I'm just going to show you this real quickly and then get into a little bit background here. But if I want to do the order quantity, this will do 1 of this item, 2 of this item, and 3 of this item. So let's go ahead and execute that. So you can see we did 1 label of the first item, 2 labels of the second item, and 3 labels of the third item. And here we showed you can put the code or the item name on here. We showed the description, the barcode. We have a whole list of data elements that you can pull in. So just backing up here a little bit, the way this works is you can pull in all kinds of different transactions from your Xero, as well as just a list of products and services. And then you go into the label designer, and you can open up and design your label your way. Here we've got the name on here, the description, and the item. If we wanted to, like, for example, add like the Zoho code to this, you simply just grab the data source, drag it over, and save it. And you can design any size labels you want. So it's kind of like your labels your way, as we say, but quick and accurate. You're pulling the data out of your Xero account, and then you simply go back to the home page, and you can just pull up any of the estimates or quotes that you're using. 0001, I believe it was. Get data. And now again, this time I'll do 1 of each, 1 label for each item. And you can see I added the code. In this case, we made the code value the same as the item name in our items, but we did 1 of each item here. So just a couple of the different dynamics and ways you can print things. In that label designer that I showed you, we're supporting all these different data elements from your Xero, so you can pull in any of these values onto your label. If there's a particular value you need, we can support that. Just give us a call anytime to add that. If you have any questions, please, down in the description, you'll be able to find our contact information and our link to sign up for the trial. If you ever have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you.